Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Eaalim. This is our plan course for this year. Let's speak about Tajweed, inshallah. Speak about the articulation point. Let's go. Now, let's speak about the articulation point of letter Ra. Letter Ra, different R, not the same articulation point. No. Our Ra produced from the tip of the tongue. How can produce Ra, correct Ra? The tip of the tongue need to stick to the gum to produce this sound correctly. So, should make what? Should make stick to the gum. This is the first note. I have another note. There should be no turning of the tongue. This is so important note. When we wanted to pronounce correct Ra, should not making turning with the tongue. That means not make r. No. When we say Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, not make Ar-Rahmani Ar-Rahim. No, this is forbidden. This is not correct. And when we wanted to produce correct Ra, not produce like Ra. Ra in English produced from back of the mouth. But in this Arabic language, produced from the tip of the tongue, using this tip to make it straight to the gum. Now, let's go to continue another notes. When we look to this shape, this is space. Let the part of the sound pass when we pronounce Ra. Why? What's the benefit of it? This space prevents turning of the tongue while pronouncing, because turning is forbidden when we produce Ra. And we have light Ra and heavy Ra. When we look to this picture, first one, we can see this is tongue. Tongue, this is tip of the tongue, and this is back part of the tongue. Smoothly, we use the tip of the tongue to make a streak with the gum by this way to produce light Ra. But when we want to produce heavy Ra, should make elevation, should make raising. Raise the back part of the tongue to make heavy Ra. To make تفخيم. Ra letter sometimes has تفخيم and sometimes has ترقيق. According to these cases, in these cases we will explain it later inshallah. So take care. Ra and Ru should heavy, but Ri should light. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.